Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am gonna show you how to check Instagram screen time. Open your Instagram, go to your profile, click on three lines at the top. Now tap on your activity. Scroll down. Now you can see time spent. Tap on that. Now you can see my daily average Instagram screen time is 1 hour and 11 minutes. It will show you the time day wise. Like on Wednesday, I use only 28 minutes Instagram and all that. Okay, there is another options. Like if you want to set a reminder to stop using Instagram, you can choose the break reminder. Tap on that. Now you have three different options. You can set every 10 minutes. It means Instagram automatically remind you to turn off after 10 minutes or after 20 minutes. I choose 10 minutes, okay, and make it turn on. You can also on quiet mode at night and daily limit. Daily limit means you can set limit. Like if I set 30 minutes, I can use Instagram daily 30 minutes. When the 30 minutes completed, Instagram automatically remind me to turn off it. Okay, turn on it. Okay, you can see the average. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.